Hey there, beautiful souls. Are you tired of your regular hair ties snapping, pulling, or causing breakage? Well, worry no more because today, I've got the ultimate solution for you. Beaded hair ties. These little wonders not only hold your hair in place, but also add a touch of style and elegance to your look. So without further ado, let's dive into the top 5 beaded hair ties that are sure to revolutionize your hair game. Number 1 position, we have Doris and Jackie beaded hair tie. Let's kick things off with the Doris and Jackie beaded hair tie. Crafted with precision and elegance, this hair tie boasts a stunning array of beads that add flair to any hairstyle. Key features: made from high-quality materials, these hair ties are durable and gentle on your hair. Plus, their unique design ensures that they stay in place all day long. Benefits and usage: say goodbye to hair breakage and hello to effortless style. These beaded hair ties not only hold your hair securely, but also add a touch of glamour to any look. Whether you're rocking a sleek ponytail or a messy bun, these hair ties will keep your locks in place while elevating your style game. Usability: perfect for everyday wear or special occasions, these beaded hair ties are versatile and easy to use. Simply wrap them around your hair and secure them in place for a flawless finish every time. Durability: unlike traditional hair ties that lose their elasticity over time, these beaded beauties are built to last. With proper care, you can enjoy long-lasting hold and style without worrying about breakage or damage. Moving on to the next at number 2 with WYBF's TT 188 hand-beaded hair ring. Next up, we have the WYBF's TT 188 hand-beaded hair ring. Handcrafted with love and attention to detail, these hair rings are a must-have accessory for anyone looking to add a pop of color and personality to their hairstyle. Key features: each hair ring is meticulously hand-beaded, ensuring that no two are exactly alike. This means you get a unique piece that reflects your individual style and personality. Benefits and usage: whether you're heading to a music festival, a night out with friends, or simply want to add some flair to your everyday look, these hand-beaded hair rings are the perfect choice. Simply slip them onto your ponytail or braid for an instant style upgrade. Usability: lightweight and easy to wear, these hair rings are suitable for all hair types and textures. Plus, their sturdy construction ensures that they stay in place throughout the day, so you can focus on looking and feeling your best. Durability: made from high-quality materials, these hand-beaded hair rings are built to last. With proper care, you can enjoy endless style possibilities without worrying about wear and tear. The number 3 position is held by WT's Bow Beads hairbands. Now let's talk about the WT's Bow Beads hairbands. Combining style and functionality, these adorable hairbands are perfect for adding a touch of sweetness to any hairstyle. Key features: featuring cute bow details and delicate beads, these hairbands are perfect for creating playful and feminine looks. Plus, their stretchy design ensures a comfortable fit for all-day wear. Benefits and usage: whether you're rocking a half-up hairstyle or a classic ponytail, these Bow Beads hairbands add a charming finishing touch to any look. Simply wrap them around your hair and secure them in place for instant style and flair. Usability: suitable for all ages and hair types, these hairbands are versatile and easy to use. Whether you're styling your own hair or helping a little one get ready for the day, these hairbands are sure to become a favorite accessory. Durability: made from durable materials, these Bow Beads hairbands are built to withstand daily wear and tear, so you can enjoy endless style possibilities without worrying about breakage or damage. Next at number 4, we have Smoked Band Beaded Hair Ties. Moving on to the Smoked Band Beaded Hair Ties. These sleek and stylish hair ties are perfect for anyone looking to add a touch of sophistication to their hairstyle. Key features: with their minimalist design and subtle bead detailing, these hair ties are perfect for creating polished and put-together looks. Plus, their stretchy construction ensures a secure and comfortable fit. Benefits and usage: whether you're heading to the office, a dinner date, or a night out on the town, these band-beaded hair ties are the perfect accessory. Simply wrap them around your hair and secure them in place for effortless style and sophistication. Usability: designed for convenience and versatility, these hair ties are suitable for all hair types and textures. Whether you have thick, curly locks or fine, straight hair, These hair ties will keep your style in place all day long. Durability. Crafted from premium materials, these band-beaded hair ties are built to last. So you can enjoy endless style possibilities without worrying about breakage or damage. Finally, the number 5 position is dominated by Kishuo beaded hair ties. Last, but certainly not least, we have the Kishuo beaded hair ties. These vibrant and colorful hair ties are perfect for adding a pop of personality to any hairstyle. Key features. With their eye-catching bead designs and bold colors, these hair ties are sure to make a statement wherever you go. Plus, their durable construction ensures long-lasting hold and style. Benefits and usage. Whether you're rocking a sleek updo or a tousled braid, these beaded hair ties add a playful touch to any look. Simply wrap them around your hair and secure them in place for instant style and flair. Usability. Suitable for all ages and occasions, these beaded hair ties are versatile and easy to use. Whether you're getting ready for work, a party, or just a day out with friends, these hair ties are sure to become your new go-to accessory. Durability. Made from high-quality materials, these beaded hair ties are built to withstand daily wear and tear, so you can enjoy endless style possibilities. And there you have it, folks. The top 5 beaded hair ties that are guaranteed to take your hairstyle game to the next level. Whether you're looking for elegance, charm, or sophistication, there's a beaded hair tie for everyone. So what are you waiting for? Go ahead and give your hair the love and attention it deserves with these fabulous hair accessories. Until next time, stay stylish and keep shining.